In this video, I'm going to explain to you how to find help topics in Synergi. So in Synergi, if you just simply hover over the dark area of the map and click and then press F1, you'll notice that the help pops up, and the help contents for this area will follow the area that you've selected in the ribbon bar. So in this case, I was on the model ribbon bar, and you'll notice that following left to right, topics around cases, models, warehouse, tools, all follow the ribbon bar. So this is a very easy way to find help topics by simply going to the ribbon that you are trying to seek help on, press the F1, and you'll notice now the planning ribbon topics come up. So I have loading, design, evaluation. So all of these are consistent along the ribbon bar. Select any of the ribbons, just hit F1, and the help topics will be associated with the ribbon that you're on. Hopefully that helps you, and if you have any questions about support or any other features about Synergi, send us an email at software.support@dnvgl.com.